I'm sorry for that technical glitch. Now we were discussing our balancing. So I've told you that this balance CD on the debit side will also be copied below the total on the next date of the month, that is on July 1st, by balance BD 400. Similarly, you can do balancing for all the accounts and you will get balance CD and balance BD for all the accounts. In some cases you might not get any balance, like you can see here in Hari's account it was 30,000 on the debit side, and on the credit side if you see it is also 30,000. If you add, it is also coming 30,000 on credit side. So it is auto tallied, auto balanced. Such accounts are called auto balanced. So we will not get any balance CD or balance BD in this account, because this account is auto balanced. So we will just write the total on both the sides, that is equal 30,000 30,000. In this account you will not be getting any balance, like in case of Hari's account in this question. Now after you have done this, also after you have balanced all the accounts, we need to prepare trial balance. This was ledger what we have been preparing. Now after ledger we need to prepare trial balance, just to check whether our journal and our ledger is correct or not. By preparing a trial balance, we will get the verification that whether our journal and our ledger what we have prepared is correct or not, or is there any kind of error present in it. If the total of the trial balance gets tallied on both the sides, debit and credit side, that means our journal as well as our ledger is properly prepared. Now this is the format of a trial balance. The format of trial balance is just like a journal, except the difference, there is no LF column here. In journal we have a column for LF, but in trial balance we don't have any LF column. The first column is named as serial number, next one is named as heads of accounts, then we have debit amount, credit amount. We don't have particulars here, we have heads of accounts, and we don't have date, we have serial number here. At the top you will write trial balance as on whatever is the date. For this question the trial balance date is on 30th of June. Now we'll write the name of all the ledger accounts that we have opened. Like we have opened 11 ledgers, so we'll write the name of all the 11 accounts, like Mahesh account, cash account, discount received account, discount allowed account, whatever accounts you have prepared in ledger, all the accounts you will write here. Names of all the accounts are written, so it is known as heads of accounts. Head of all the accounts I have written here. After you write heads of all the accounts, then you will write the balance that we have got there after balancing the ledger accounts, whether it is debit balance or credit balance. Like the first account was Mahesh account. In Mahesh account, what was the balance BD? Don't see the balance CD, we'll only check the balance BD. The balance BD was 10,000. In Mahesh account it was balance BD 10,000 on the debit side. The balance BD we got on the debit side. Mahesh account we got 10,000 balance BD on the debit side. So here in trial balance I have written Mahesh account, in debit I have written 10,000. Similarly in cash account you have debit balance. In cash account also debit side we have balance BD 22,800. Please don't check the balance CD, you will get confusion of side which side to write. You just check the balance BD. Cash account debit side balance BD 22,800. So here also we have written cash account, in the debit 22,800. But in discount received we have balance BD on the credit side. On the credit side we have balance BD in discount received account, that is rupees 400. So for discount received account we'll write 400 on the credit side. In the debit side we'll leave blank, we'll write it on the credit side. In this manner we can write all. Hari's account, you can see the account number 6. Hari's account did not have any balance, neither debit nor credit. Any side it does not have any balance BD. So for Hari's account you just leave it blank or just give a dash on both the sides. Like Hari's account, you can see here number 6 Hari's account, I have given a dash on both the sides, debit and credit. In this manner, after you write the balance BD of all the accounts in the proper side, debit and credit, when you add the debit and credit side, the total of both debit and credit should match, it should tally. Here you can see after I add debits column I got rupees 1,06,400. Similarly on the credit side also I got rupees 1,06,400. So this trial balance is to verify whether we have prepared all the journal and ledger properly or not, all the entries have been posted correctly or not till now. After you prepare such trial balance, you will come to know that whether there is some error in any of the journal entries or in the ledger accounts. If you have any errors, thereafter you can rectify. If the total doesn't tally on debit and credit side, you can tally. If the total doesn't tally on the debit and credit side, you can go and check your error. You can correct that mistake whatever you have made either in journal or in the ledger. Thereafter you will get the correct balance in trial balance. You will get the correct total on both the sides of debit and credit. So this was all about trial balance. So today we have learned how to prepare a journal, ledger and trial balance together. I hope this is clear to all of you how to prepare a journal, a ledger and a trial balance. I'll also click the pictures of this for your reference and send it to your group so that it will be quite easy for you to understand. Along with the question, I'll also click the solution and send it to the group. Apart from this, I'll also send one more question for you to solve. You will prepare journal, ledger as well as trial balance for that question and send it the solution to me personally on WhatsApp. And after this, if you have any queries remaining with this chapter, please let me know through WhatsApp or through call. In the next video, we'll continue with one more question. Till then, thank you very much and bye.